Hi, welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, if you've ever watched this before, you've heard me say the thing I'm about to say. And that is that this is not financial advice. I am not here to tell you what to do with your money. That is something that you and you only are going to decide after you have done research like the responsible adult I know that you are. I am simply here to tell you about cool things, really sweet options you have. And today, the sweet option I am here to show you is Trust Wallet. It is a stable coin that gives you the option to earn on its launch here. If you are holding USDT, USDC, DAI, or USDA, you can start earning effortlessly at competitive rates. Trust Wallet has launched their stablecoin Earn, a new feature in the Earn Hub that lets users earn passive rewards in the form of yields on the stablecoins just listed. I'll list them again in just a moment so you can hear them again. Now that is across the top chains, but more are going to be added. So right now it's on Ethereum, BNB, Base, and Arbitrum. You stay in complete, full control. You earn daily rewards, and you can withdraw anytime. It's not like a 401k, no penalties. You earn by simply holding and depositing the stablecoins into Stablecoin Earn. There is no minimum or maximum compared to the CEXs like Binance. It has best-in-class annual percentage rates, APYs, currently up to 7% APY, but this dynamically changes according to the market. It is integrated with trusted DeFi protocols. It is oh so simple to use and has transparent rewards, which you can earn daily. There are over 20 million plus TVL in 7 days after they released it. Users trust in this product. Now, Trust Wallet has quickly become number one, surpassing both Crypto.com and Ledger. Now, let's take a look here at their Twitter, or X. Sorry, gotta get with the times here. Update your app Earn. So again, USDT, USDC, DAI, or USDA all allow you to passively earn and get more of what you got. Self-custody first, always. You keep full control of your funds. No intermediaries, no complex terms. Withdraw anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Powered by DeFi leaders. Check your rewards anytime. Stablecoins are already in your wallet. Time to put them to work. Final tweet in this thread. All that going on there. It is simple, but solid. There's no lock-in. There's no weird hoops to jump through. No minimums. You deposit the 4 stable coins, and you start earning. That's it. That's all you got. Again, it works across BNB, Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, and that's only the start. More are coming. Daily rewards with real numbers. Right now, rates are up to 7% APY as of this week. Now that's going to fluctuate based on market conditions, and that's a good thing. It means that they're routing through real DeFi protocols, not fixed Ponzi yields. None of that, the Polka King garbage going on here. No, will you invest so I can pay off the other investor stuff? There are much worse experiences on other CEXs, and more restrictions. Now, in just over a week, people have already deposited over $20 million into this feature. That is a good sign. That means people are trusting it. That's what I'd like to see, and that is what is really encouraging to me. It has jumped past Ledger and Crypto.com. The market has really been waiting for a tool like this to exist inside a wallet like Trust Wallet. It is one of those things where the quiet simplicity ends up being the strongest flex. Now, over $150 billion in stablecoin is sitting on chain, and the majority of it isn't earning anything. Now, with rates cooling down in TradFi and DeFi infrastructure, as the infrastructure improves, we're going to see more demand for low-friction, yield-bearing stablecoin tools that don't require bridging or swapping chains. That is what this guy offers. Trust Wallet may be early, but it has a potential to get a much larger shift in how stablecoin capital is deployed. So, if you are out there holding stablecoins and not doing anything with them, this really might be something worth checking out. There's no need to move funds off wallet or deep dive into DeFi. It's native, it's transparent, it's flexible, and for once, rewards don't come with a trapdoor. It surprised me. And I am a hard guy to surprise. I don't say that often. But it might just surprise you, too. So, may I suggest, humbly, that you check it out. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.